What's up YouTube? Back with another video, and in today's video I am going to show you my newest toy. No, it's not that. You've already seen that. And it's not that. It is, boom, right there. SSR 125 pit bike. Just got it right now, and I am going to unbox it and build it and get back with you. Alright guys, so I got it down, I got the cage off. It just came in a steel cage, and it has all these little bolts or nuts and bolts everywhere. So I took that all off, so I will get back to building it and check back in. Alright guys, so I got the rear shock in, got the handlebars on. I gotta get the front tire on now, and then do an oil change, and I should be done. Super pumped. Can't wait to get on this thing. Alright, I'll check back in. Alright YouTube, so I finally got it all built, ready to go. I'm gonna do a quick oil change and then take it out for a spin. So I'll check back in after this oil change and when I first fire it up. Oh, oops. Alright, what's up YouTube? As you saw, that was the first kick of the bike. Bike starts right up. Waiting for my son to get his bike on. Just joking, come on. Is it in neutral? Your fuel's on, your carb? There he goes. Hopefully he doesn't stall it. Little wheelie launch. Alright, let's go. The first ride. Ooh yeah. It is definitely sagging with me. I'm 6'2", like a $190. It's sagging a little bit, but I definitely got leg room. I'm just sitting all the way back. One thing I'm not used to on this is the 4-up. Oh. Whoa, you almost ate it. Alright, we're going to do a little race. That's the Xmoto 125. This is the SSR 125. That's the Xmoto big wheel. 17-inch front, 14-inch rear. This is a 14-inch front, 12-inch rear. 125 versus 125. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! That's all I had. That's all I had. He took me. He took it. Oh man. Oh man. He took it. That was sick. That was dope. That was sick. That was super sick. Alright, now we're just gonna go cruise. Let's go. These things are so much fun. Sounds like it's farting all the time. Woo-wee. Sounds like something's off. I don't know what it is though. I think that's all the gears I got. Back wheel sliding. Sliding, boys. Woo. Where is he? Woo! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Fucking sick, bruh! Oh shit! This is all open! Oh shit! Whoa, soft sand! Oh, soft sand! Oh, soft sand! There he is! Let's take a picture! There he goes. Get this mask down. Ooh, yeah. I'm still trying to teach him how to ride a dirt bike. I know how to ride bikes, don't know how to stump bikes. Woo! Whoop! Right through the grass. Woo! Oh yeah, that's a lot of sand there. I'm getting stuck in it. Could be my fat ass. Drifting. Haha. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, there's barbed wire here. I can't get out. Haha. Ha ha ha. Shit. shit. Donut. Not the best probably, but oh no. Woo. This is fucking fun, yo. I think I'm stuck. I think I'm locked in. Woo. The hell is that? Woo. Where are you going? What? What? Follow me. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos, and until the next time, peace.